Hello and welcome to OctopusDo. I'm Christian Ross. And yes, OctopusDo is an odd name, but hopefully you'll remember it. This is my jewelry making channel. If you watched the last video I did, it was the European 4-in-1 chainmaille technique, which you get a really pretty bracelet if you work on that. It's the basis for a lot of different things, such as, well, if you're interested in dragon scale chainmaille, then this is kind of the base level of that, and you can work your way up to dragon scale, so don't forget that. This is part 2 of the European 4-in-1, and what we're going to do in this video is show you how to speed weave so you can create pieces faster, which ultimately the more pieces you can make more money if you happen to be selling your jewelry. So that comes in handy, but also you can just, well, make more pieces, which is always a good thing. In the European 4-in-1 pattern, remember, it is one ring has 4 rings going into it. It's the same technique. However, this time we're going to close 2 of the jump rings and use an open jump ring to attach those 2 closed to the piece you're working on. So when you're opening and closing your jump rings, you're going to close twice as many as you open. So I have 8 jump rings closed here and 4 open, and I'm going to be adding these to this piece. So instead of adding 1 ring at a time, we're going to be adding 3 at a time. So I take my first jump ring that's open, I pick up 1 and hold that on there, pick up 2. So now I have 2 on an open jump ring. Now I come down to my bracelet, or the piece I'm working on here, and I string that open jump ring through the last 2 that I did, like so, and close it. Make sure everything flips around if it needs to. And there you go, I've just added 3 rings. Pick up the next one and string 2 closed ones on it. Come back down to my piece and add those in. You get a bracelet done really quickly, and you know, you could keep going and even make a whole suit of armor if you really wanted. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me for this quick tip, and don't forget to subscribe and look for more chainmaille and other jewelry making videos coming soon. Now you know, go make something.